Hello, thanks so much for joining me today. I am here to read you some subtraction story problems, and then I will help with problem number 1. Before we get started, please make sure that you do have a counter of some sort. So today I'm going to be using my sight words as one of my counters, and then I'm also going to be working it out on a whiteboard or piece of paper. So I have 2 ways I'm going to be showing today. So please make sure that you have 20 of something so that you can help with these problems. All right, number 1. There are 18 seahorses swimming in a group. 9 of the seahorses swim away. How many seahorses are still swimming in the group? Number 2. Jack finds 12 logs in the woods. He gives 6 logs to his dad. How many logs does he have left? And number 3. Cannon buys 20 bouncy balls at the store. He gives 10 away. How many bouncy balls does he have left? So just remember, you can pause at any time if you need me to reread it to you again, or if you need time to think about those. So I'm going to go bounce back up to problem number 1. So there are 18 seahorses swimming in a group. So my first step is to get 18. So I have 18 sight words here, and I've also drawn 18 circles on my board. Okay, so I have 18 seahorses. 9 of the seahorses swim away. So I'm thinking, swim away. Does that mean I'm adding things? I'm making it bigger? Or am I going to take things away? That's right, we're going to take things away because those seahorses are swimming away. So I'm going to take my 18 sight words and I'm going to count 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 9 are going to get put in my away pile. Let's count and see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are my leftover seahorses. Let's double check on our whiteboard. So on my whiteboard, I had 18 seahorses or 18 circles, and 9 of them swim away. So I'm going to take and I'm going to mark out 9. So those are the ones who are swimming away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to count the ones that I did not mark off. So I'm going to count these ones that don't have X's. That's how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that. Our answers matched. We got it correct. All right. Good luck with problems number 2 and 3. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.